Directed energy deposition has a geometry advantage compared to powder bed fusion metal additive. Pete Zielinski, Additive Manufacturing Media. I am at Rapid+TCT. The geometry advantage relates to overhung features. This part was made on a wire-fed directed energy deposition machine made by Mitsubishi here at this show, and unsupported overhung features like the very extended ones on this form. This part was made by first building up the column and then through full 5-axis motion, which is possible in DED, pivoted, and then this big flower petal form was made by rotating the part. This geometry advantage is significant because directed energy deposition is getting more precise. This new wire-fed machine from Mitsubishi, it continuously monitors every layer for the bead height, the bead width, and adapts in real time by adjusting power, the wire feed, the Z height, all to maintain precision.